In this tutorial, I will show you how to create an Instagram account. To create your Instagram account, open the Instagram app and simply click on the create a new account. Now here you can create the profile with your mobile number and the email. I want to sign up with email, so simply click on and put your email here and click on the next button. After that, the Instagram team send the OTP to your Gmail. First, copy that OTP and put here. After putting the OTP, now set password and click on the next button. After that, select the date of birth and then click on set. Now again click on the next button. Here you have to put your full name as I am putting. Now your profile is successfully created, and after that click on the next button. It will review your username. Now click on the next button and allow the all permission that is asking. It is securely, do not get any tension. So simple, allow the all settings and click on OK. And after that follow the 5% and then click on next. Now your Instagram account is successfully created.